Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, scroll down and then tap on general. Once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll down and then tap on YouTube. Now once you tap on YouTube, here you'll be seeing the option offload app. Simply tap on that, which lets you reset the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that's done, all you gotta do is try again. And if that still doesn't work, then what you can do is head over to your app store or your Play Store, and on the search bar simply type in YouTube and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.